Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a brand new Italo jewelry haul plus try on. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on. If you guys been watching my channel, I've worked with Italo jewelry for several years now. I continue working with them because not only is their customer service really good, but they have such amazing great quality jewelry pieces that you will not find anywhere else. I have several of their pieces that I've gotten over time and I absolutely love it. So in today's video I am going to be showing you two of my favorite pieces that I do own and I do love, and also two items that are new to my collection. I'm going to show you guys the new items first. First off, I do want to mention I love the way they do their packaging. It does come like this in this gorgeous box, and I think this is perfect for gift giving if you're planning on giving this to a loved one. This is perfect. These are the two jewelry pieces. But before I show you the jewelry pieces, I quickly want to show you guys what it comes with. You do get this jewelry pouch, which is nice. You could put it in for travel or to give it as a gift if you want to put it that way. You do get a silver polishing cloth. So that is really nice. Since these are sterling silver, you do want to polish your silver. Now they do also have a membership program. If you do sign up, you get 500 points. You earn points that turn into rewards. They also give you exclusive discounts and offers. They also have a 60-day return policy, so if you're not satisfied, you have 60 days to return it. It does have a 1-year warranty, so that is really nice as well. If anything happens to it, you are covered for up to a year. It comes with the sterling silver 925 certificate, letting you know that all of their jewelry pieces are certified sterling silver. They also have a jewelry care guide. If you're not sure how to clean your jewelry, it does give you this so you know how to take care of it. All their jewelry pieces are made handmade by professional craftsmen. If you want really good quality pieces but at more affordable pricing, especially for what they are, I definitely recommend that you try out Italo, because all of their items are shipped from their manufactory. Everything is made in their own manufactories, no middleman, therefore they are able to make it more affordable. Always going to be free shipping. They are a legit company. If you have never tried anything from Italo, they are a really good company and their stuff is one of the best. Without further ado, let me show you guys the jewelry pieces. First off is this necklace right here that has been on my wish list. Oh my gosh, this is breathtaking. I've been wanting this for the longest time. This is very luxurious, very high-end, and it just looks like you spent $1,000,000. I love this one. It is this necklace right here. Is this not luscious? It is so pretty. Absolutely love this. This has been on my wish list for like about 6 months now, and I was like, I have to pick this up. They call it a classic heart cut pendant necklace, and it is $247.89, but I do also have a coupon code, so keep that in mind. Make sure you use a coupon code so you can save some extra cash. Looks like this, and I just think it's absolutely stunning. This does not give it justice how beautiful it looks. Look at that shine, guys. It is so pretty. It glistens in the light so beautifully. Oh my gosh, it looks like real diamonds. This is my new favorite piece. I absolutely love this. I highly recommend it. It's definitely a statement for sure. I like the fact that it stays on my neck. These don't move around, which some pieces do sometimes, and that's really annoying, but this stays put, and you can see all of them. They don't move around. It is so pretty. This is a total of 39 carats. Stone cut is heart and pear shape. It is 18 inches. It does has rhodium in it, which gives it a platinum appearance. It is nickel free, and these are sapphire stones, so you guys know you're getting amazing quality. I actually want to wear this with like a mock neck or a turtleneck sweater. I think that will look really pretty, like a black mock neck sweater. Diamonds like this stand out. It's such a beautiful way with black. On to this ring. This ring has been on my wish list as well. I've been wanting a blue sapphire ring for the longest time, and I'm so glad I picked this up. So it looks like this. Let me give you guys a close-up so you can see. It is stunning. They do have different styles of this blue sapphire ring, kind of like similar, but they're all quite different. But I got this because I just love the way it looks. It's so bold and chunky. So this is how it looks on my finger. I did get in a size 6. And it fits so beautifully, so comfortable on my finger as well. It doesn't hurt me right here, because there are some rings, if they're chunky, they end up hurting me right here on the sides, and this one doesn't. Look how chunky that ring is. They call it a 3-stone double prong blue sapphire cushion cut engagement ring. This is $123.02. The metal, it is sterling silver, has 9.52 carats. Again, it does have rhodium to give it a platinum appearance. It's nickel free. Like I said, sterling silver. And the gems on it is a blue sapphire and also the clear sapphire around it. But it is sapphire. It is real blue sapphire. It's really nice. I really love this. It just gives such a nice statement, especially if you're going to go to a really nice dinner and you want to feel very luxurious. Oh my gosh, this ring does it. It is absolutely stunning, really great quality. That's one thing I have to say about Italo. Their jewelry pieces are top tier. It does have the sterling silver, like the 925 sterling silver inside right here. I love like the diamond, the little sapphires right here on the sides. And then it has the double prong sapphire here, and then it has the blue sapphire right here. And like I said, I just love the fact that it is so bold. When it comes to Italo jewelry, I'm always super excited to get their new pieces because they're always great quality and you don't have to worry about them tarnishing. Of course, it is sterling silver, so keep that in mind. You do have to, from time to time, polish them. That's why they give you a polishing cloth, but it does last you forever because it is silver. It is really great quality. I own a lot of their pieces. I worn them multiple times. To be honest with you, so far, they have not tarnished. To 2 jewelry pieces from Italo that I've owned and I absolutely love. I've been wearing them a lot lately. First off has to be this ring right here. So this one, they call it the pink stone pear-shaped engagement ring. It's an affordable promise ring. It is $116.78. It has 4.11 carats. It does have pink carats and clear carats. It is a pear shape. I absolutely love this. I got in a size 6 and it fits amazing. I just think this is so pretty. Again, like this one I think I had for over a year. And look at the shine on it. It is such great quality. And this one, like I mentioned, is a bestseller on their website. And I can see why. It is absolutely stunning. Look at that. You have the sapphires that go all the way around here. And then you have this pear shape, a pink sapphire right here. And it is absolutely stunning. This is one of my favorites because I've worn it lately a lot. I think especially for the spring color, that like pop of pink is just really pretty. And look at that shine. It is amazing. The last ones are these right here. I do have these on and I've been wearing these quite a lot in my video. I wear them quite a bit because they go with so many of my looks and they're just very classy. So these are the Italo pearl earrings, drop earrings for women in the silver. They are $125.95. These are real pearls. It has sapphire right here and then it has the pearl drop right here. It does have 2.5 carats. It looks like this and it has the sapphire going right here and also has the little sapphire going around here around the pearl. The cool thing about these earrings is that you can remove the pearl. So if for whatever reason you don't want to wear the pearl that day, you can remove it and just wear it like so. And then whenever you feel like wearing the pearl again, you can put it on. So I really like this because you get 2 earrings in one. And I like the fact that this is really easy to put on. I have really stubborn ears for some reason. I don't know why the first pierced ears right here, because I do have 3. This one right here is really hard to put on if it's like a hugger style earring. I struggle with that. But this one, the way it's made, it is perfectly made where you can easily put it on. Just looks really stunning. They are beautiful. You can wear it like so, or you can wear it as a drop earring. They're just really classy, so that's the reason why I find myself wearing them a lot. They're just really pretty. They're lightweight, they don't hurt my ears, they're very comfortable. I can wear them all day long and I don't even feel like I have them on, which I love that because Who wants to feel like a drag on your ear? So with that being said, that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see my other Italo jewelry hauls, I will link those videos down in the description box, also in the comment section, so that way you guys can see all of the other jewelry pieces that I picked up. I will link everything that I mentioned in this video in the description box and in the comment section as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I do a lot of fashion related videos and lifestyle videos, so if you're into that, make sure you click that subscribe button. Until next time, remember, God bless, and as we say in Romanian, la revedere.